I am back with another skincare product which name is Peach and Lily Peptide Pro Firming Moisturizer. This is a next-gen proven wrinkle cream for all ages and for all skin types. This Peptide Pro Firming Moisturizer visibly reverse lines and wrinkles, deeply hydrate, and restore your skin barrier. Firming ingredients can deliver more visible results when skin is also hydrated and the skin barrier is healthy. This 3-in-1 cream is a next-generation wrinkle cream as well as a hydrating moisturizer and skin barrier repair cream in one formula. Let's discuss its key benefits. Make skin looks more youthful and revived. Dramatically reduce the appearance of lines and wrinkles. With regular usage, you can get visibly firm and plumpy skin. Hydrate your skin deeply without clogging pores. Last but not the least, restore your skin barrier. Let's know above its key ingredients and their benefits. It contains 12 peptide signal and carrier peptides to powerfully deliver smoother and firmer-looking skin. It contains 4 amino acids, support collagen production with these building blocks of protein in our skin. It's vegan collagen, boost plumpness and radiance. It contains ginseng which rejuvenates skin and fights signs of external stressors. 2 kind of powerful hyaluronic acid and polyglutamic acid. Powerfully bind moisture to skin for deep hydration. Rice ferment filtrate, noticeably brighten and create more supple skin. It contains squalane that help restore the skin barrier. It contains tremella mushroom extract which nutrient-rich extract that helps support the skin barrier. Phytosterol is a star ingredient that was studied to be more beneficial for the skin barrier than traditional petroleum jelly to help quickly restore and relieve dry or irritated skin. Turmeric visibly calm skin. Transform your skin with this result-oriented, luxurious, and lightweight next-generation wrinkle cream. Which skin type can use this cream? Ideal for dry skin, normal skin, oily skin, combination skin. How to apply? Apply as last step of your skincare routine as your moisturizer step to seal everything in. Can be used daily, AM and PM. Follow up with SPF in the mornings. In short, if you have dry, dull, rough, wrinkles or your skin, you can use it. Thanks for watching.